guys, welcome back to Lali Bali. In this video we will visit one of the most famous tours in North Bali, precisely in Buleleng district, namely the Sekumpul Waterfall. The location of the Sekumpul Waterfall is in Sekumpul village, Sawan sub-district, Buleleng Regency, Bali. It is approximately 76 kilometers from Denpasar city and 20 kilometers from Singaraja city. With a travel time of approximately 2.5 hours from the city of Denpasar. But baby, that's a lie. The main thing that makes the Sekumpul Waterfall tourist attraction famous to foreign countries, because at the Sekumpul Waterfall tourist spot, you can not only see 1 or 2 waterfalls, but 7 waterfalls. As the name implies, Sekumpul Waterfalls consist of a collection of waterfalls, with a total of 7 waterfalls. Therefore, Sekumpul Waterfall was named by foreigners by another name, Sevent Point Waterfall. When entering this tourist area, you will immediately see the ticket purchase counter, but before that you must follow the health protocol by washing your hands and wearing a mask.
Swastiastu. Oke, saya mau perjelaskan. Ini di sini kita ada paket medium sama paket low. Kalau paket mediumnya itu ada Sekumpul sama hidden. Kalau paket longnya ada 3 area air terjun, hidden, Sekumpul sama Fiji. Itu harganya kalau paket mediumnya 125 per orang, kalau longnya 200 per orang. Kalau itu khusus buat tamu, harga tamu di luar Bali. Kalau yang Bali itu tiket anak-anaknya 10.000, kalau yang dewasanya 20.000. Nah, kasih.
Along the way from the parking lot to the waterfall we will see a green view of the trees in this tourist spot. The distance from the parking lot to the waterfall is about 1.2 kilometers, although it is quite far, but we will not feel tired because of the beautiful scenery along the way. To be able to see the waterfall closer you must have a fit stamina. From the main road, to get to the location to see Sekumpul Waterfall, you have to go down several stairs, with a winding path route. In addition to the green scenery along the way, we will meet residents' houses and several restaurants that provide special menus from this area. There are also sellers of spices that are processed by themselves. We will continue our journey to the location of the waterfall. first see this Sekumpul Waterfalls, you will see that there are two waterfalls side by side. According to the officer at the location, the cliff height of the waterfall is about 50 meters. Around the cliff area of the waterfall you will see many large trees, and it looks very green and beautiful. This time we will pass the stairs to the waterfall. I don't know for sure how many stairs to go through, about 350 steps. In addition to the number of steps, the slope of the stairs in some places is also very steep. Cross a river whose water level is approximately as high as an adult's thigh. After passing through the stairs and also the river, in the end we arrived at Sekumpul Waterfalls.